Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video. Now I know it's been a while and yeah, I've taken a little took a little break, I guess you want to call it. I was basically busy, so anyways, got back to the game here and there's no audio because I had it turned off from last time, but there's just a little update that came out on the August the 4th. So wait, is that today? No, that was 2 days ago. So yeah, August the 4th, there's some little updates. So I've already checked it. It's just pretty much bug fixes, nothing else included, no new textures or anything. So I can check out this full list, but yeah, I don't think there's anything here. So anyways, we're going to go into this. We're going to go and quickly put the settings on as they should be. So there we go, the music should be on now. Is it here? Oh yeah, I hear it. Alright, perfect. So I also want to enable glows. There we are, now we fixed it all. So yeah, welcome back to another video. It's been quite a while, and also guys, we did it. We hit 900 subscribers, and right now we're already at 909, so that means we are 91 subscribers away from the big 1000. So let's see if we can let's set a subscriber goal. Let's see if we can try and get 1000 subs before September. So that gives us about, right, it's the 6th today. Yes, we've got about 25-ish days, something like that. So yeah, let's see if we can try and get 1000. That's gonna be pretty cool. So anyways, we're gonna do, well, what am I saying? Yeah, so today we're doing part 3 of a series I did before I went to Florida, so I didn't have any, or I couldn't finish it in time. So this simulation right here, so it's the red giant, back to the red giant simulation. So we're just going to leave it like that. And a lot of people were complaining about the sun wasn't big enough, so let's go and fix it. Actually no, I want to leave it like that, because if I make it bigger it will ruin everything. But yeah, this red giant sun should be about the size of Venus's orbit, not a little smaller than Mercury's. Yeah, so pardon my fails there. Anyways, so yeah, remember this? We've got the colonized Ganymede, and now it's a new updates. We've got these cool looking black clouds on these objects. It looks so awesome like that. We've also got Europa over here, looking very pretty as a water world. All going good. Now if we head out to Saturn over here, let's go here. So there's good old Saturn. Then we've got our beautiful Titan here. Quite hot here, but if we just remove the atmosphere, damn, that thing's a beauty. Just look at that. It looks so awesome. So let me just quickly check up the page here. So I'm just on the Universe Sandbox update page, and there's nothing I can find about it. Yeah, they're just July and June updates. They haven't even added the August update to the list of updates here. So yeah, we'll close that for now. So yeah, pretty good stuff. But anyways, yeah, today we're gonna actually not be doing any of the planet stuff. We're going to be colonizing the dwarf planets, so like Pluto, Pluto's moon, Sedna, Orcus and stuff like that. So yeah, here's Titania around Uranus, which is the largest moon, looking very pretty there. And then we've had the last one we did in the previous episode was Triton around Neptune. So let's head back here like that, and there is the beautiful Triton. Look at that purple land there, looking pretty cool. A little too hot, so we may want to increase the albedo a bit just so it cools down, because that does look pretty hot. 70 degrees, no thank you. Right, anyway, so let's head out to Pluto now. So we're going to head here. So Pluto's at minus 40 degrees right now, so Pluto's doing pretty warm actually. It's not too cold here. It's hotter than Mars normally is. Anyway, so can we add the moons? Ah, dang it, we can't, because this is a custom simulation, but oh well. So what we are going to do is we'll just add it manually. So we'll add Charon in. We'll put it, yeah, let's put it about there. It's not really, I don't really know the distance it is between Pluto, but the problem is, if we make Charon too big, it could get bigger than Pluto, then Pluto will have to orbit Charon here. So this could be an issue, but yeah, we'll try it anyways. We'll turn that off. Now we want to give this bad boy an atmosphere. So let's just go with 1,000 kilograms, because that's the size of what Mercury's atmosphere is. So we're probably gonna, let's hit play now. So let's decrease the albedo a bit, increase the infrared efficiency, and now let's reset the temperature to 0. Now hit play, and the temperature is warming up, so that's what we want. And it's like some dogs barking outside, so dang it. Alright, anyways, yeah, so that temperature's now heating up. So if we try and add water to it, it's not even smoking or losing material. Okay, that's perfect then. It looks like we're so far away from the sun here. Oh, dang it, I spoke too soon. No, why does it have to do that? It's so annoying. Alright, anyway, so yeah, we're going to have to make it slightly larger. Split it to 1,000 kilometers in size. Yeah, so poor Pluto, it's going to get too big, I think, compared to Pluto. So is it still smoking now? Dang it, it still is. I hate it when it does that. Alright, so 1186. We need to make sure this doesn't get too big, so let's put it at 2,000. So we may have to make Pluto bigger as well. So is it okay at 2,000? Okay, it's doing that now. Are you kidding me? Seriously? Why does it do that? Okay, let's make Pluto bigger. Because if you didn't know, if you've seen the previous episodes, we literally can't do this without, we have to make the moons bigger, otherwise it's impossible to colonize them around the red giant sun, which is, it's kind of annoying, but yeah, I'm sorry, but we can't really do anything. So this is pretty much the closest we can get to it being realistic. Oh, serious? Stop, why is it cold again? 20 degrees. Okay, now it's getting hotter, or now it's getting cold again. Oh, then now it's warming up again, okay. Damn, this thing does not know how to behave. So it's doing that. Ah, it's so annoying, why does it have to do that? Okay, we'll make sure to add a magnetic field, see if that even does anything, because I've never seen it actually do anything, I don't think. So just 1000, like that. There we go. Magnetic field should protect it a bit, even though I'm pretty sure it doesn't do anything, but we'll add it anyway. Alright, so yeah, this thing really doesn't want to heat up, so let's increase the atmosphere to, or surface pressure I should say. Let's put it to 0.25 Earth, so 0.25 like that. And looking good. I don't know if you guys can see my mouse, 'cause I think I have it switched off from one of the previous videos, so yeah, hopefully that doesn't bother you. Wow, this is really not behaving, is it? Okay, 0.5 ATM. Okay, now it seems to warm up a bit. Okay, let's go to 1 ATM. Wait, select it please, there we go. 1 ATM. Come on, warm up. Seriously? Wow, we're going to have to go higher than that. 4 ATM. We just need it to get above the certain point. So, 5. Oh, okay. Now it's going too hot. Seriously, this thing is really weird. Okay, now it's all evaporating. Like, come on now. 0 degrees. And that gets too hot. Come on now. This isn't fun. Look at that. It sprayed out the material, and Pluto actually took some of it, and now Pluto's got all of the all of the water on it. That's pretty cool, actually. So we basically spray painted Pluto there with all this material. I've never done that before. I didn't even know you could do that. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay. Is it losing material still? Come on, stop. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. Let's try and make the mass bigger. 10 moons. Stop losing mass. Well, stop spraying out stuff. Okay, there we are. Okay, so let's make... Okay, so is that... Okay, it's still slightly less mass than Pluto. So we'll leave it like that. So it is bigger than Pluto, I think. Okay, that's getting too close. Nope. We'll put it over here. Alright, and we'll just make Pluto slightly larger as well. So let's put it to... Let's put that to 25 moons, just to keep it safe. Because I really don't want these guys colliding. Yeah, we'll leave Pluto spray painted, I guess. Alright, anyways, now this should work. So, increase the albedo a bit. Make sure to add some water back. Oh, it's still losing material. That's so annoying. Okay, we'll make it the best we can, though. So, 20 degrees. Okay, it's still heating up too much, so... Cool down, please. Oh my god. Have I just lost the plot, or is it really not behaving today? We are in the newer version of the game, so maybe it's a little different. Okay, 40 degrees. Okay, it's staying like that. Oh no, it's not losing material anymore. Okay, we're making progress. That's good. So we'll add some land back. Whoa, Pluto, you really scared me there. Okay, these guys still look like they're getting too close, though. Oh, they're not even on orbit, actually, so that's not good. Okay, so you're looking good now. So let's just make sure there's a little bit more land. Okay, looking good. Okay, so they're in a very weird orbit. We'll spread them out a little more. There we go, that should work better. So now they're in a binary orbit around the sun. Alright, so looking good. Yeah, that, I like the look of that. So yeah, Charon is now done. It's not losing material anymore, which is good. So there's another one ticked on our list. So do we do Pluto as well? I guess we can do Pluto, actually. So let's give it an atmosphere. So we'll give it about... Let's just start off with 1 Earth atmosphere, or 1 Earth. Then we'll make sure... Oh, it already has water on it. Okay, that's good. So all of the stuff that got spray painted on here pretty much. Alright, so let's actually remove a bit of it. So we get some more land. Oh, that's a little too much. So like that. And we'll put it on studio mode so we can actually see what we're doing. Ah, no, we'll go with flashlight actually. There we go, that looks better. Alright, so... Okay, looking good. Okay, we've got land. We've got plenty of oceans in the north here. And then a bit more land in the south. Okay, looking nice. Okay, is that... Yeah, I like it like this more. Alright, perfect. So now we can go back on realistic mode. We've got our cool looking colonized Pluto. And looks like Pluto, okay, it's still a little too hot, so increase the albedo slightly so it goes down in temperature. And there we go, so we've got Pluto now pretty much colonized. Like that. So we had to make that bigger as well, because remember, if the objects are too small, they just lose all of their water eventually. That's what all that steam or smoke or whatever you want to call it was coming off the object, which is kind of annoying. But yeah, there we go. So we've got Pluto and Charon now colonized. So that's looking good. So now we want to leave these guys And let's head to, where should we go next? We're not going to do every single dwarf planet here because we'll be here all day, and it'll pretty much be the same thing over and over again. So we don't want to bore you guys. So should we go with Orcus? Yes, go with Orcus. All right, so let's try this one out. So this is a custom object as well. I've added it in and made it realistic to the real life orbit, so that's good. Okay, so let's add some water to it like that. And the good thing with this is it has no moons or anything. So, or actually, it does have a moon called Vamph, but it's not in the game, so we don't need to worry about that. And the moon is very small as well, so yeah, it wouldn't be too much of an issue. Anyways, okay, so let's give it 1 ATM again, since it is a similar distance away to Pluto. So there we go. Oh, and we got this positive infinity garbage again. Seriously, I hate that. All right. Anyways, so yeah, let's just go with 180. Or let's go 0.5 ATM maybe. I hate it when it says positive infinity. That it just like bugs it out. Really, it's really annoying like that. But hopefully, it's all done already. So, oh, this one isn't losing material either. That's good. Because it's so far away, it's fine. All right, perfect. So let's increase the albedo a bit, just so it doesn't get too hot. Yeah, there we go. So that should be good. So Orcus is already colonized. So that was a nice, easy one for us there. So looking very good actually. So there we are. Oh. I was having a great day as well. I didn't notice the... Alright. Every time I say it isn't going to do it, it does. Okay, let's just go to 4,000 kilometers, just so it... There we go, fixed it. Wait, about 3,000 maybe, just to make it as small as possible. 2,500. Okay, yeah, okay, that looks good, so we'll leave it like that. So we don't want it too big, but not too small, so... There we go, so we've got Orcus done now. Because it doesn't really matter if we make them bigger, because... Yeah, you can't do it any other way, I guess, or any way I know about, so that's that. Okay, we'll try Iris next now, so... Looking good, so it's a very nice white object here. It's a little yellowy due to the colour of the star, or the sun, I should say, so... Looking good, so we'll add some water to it, and we've got the usual problem, so we'll just go straight to 2,500 kilometers, like that, and it's gone away, which is exactly what we want. So now, we'll go to ATM again, we'll add 1 ATM. It's done that positive infinity trash again, which is really annoying. Increase the infrared efficiency, put it to 0 degrees, it's warming up. Okay, that's exactly what we want. So we'll call this, I can't even see the difference between the water and the surface since it's all white. That's kind of annoying. Is it cooling down? We've got the clouds starting to appear, that's what we want. Okay, let's also go to, yeah, let's change the colour of it. So let's go for a unique like red sort of purple theme here. Okay, so red, purple, and let's go red, purple and blue. I think that'll be an interesting look for this object, so let's decrease that. Come on, there's a lot of water on here actually. I put way too much on. Oh, there we go, look at that. That looks really weird, but I like it. It works for me. So we've got the red in the south, or the red and pinky sort of colour. Purple, we've got some blue hidden in there as well. Looking a very nice iris there, like alien sort of trees and stuff. So yeah, the purple looks pretty good on that, I think. And it's above 0 degrees, so it should work fine, I want to say. So it's increasing in temperature, and we'll come back to that later. So there's Iris. But the thing with Iris is its orbit is very peculiar, so let's put it as its furthest point. So let's go all the way over here. So that now let's see how it behaves. So, okay, yes, it's cooling down. So what we need to do is, we need to decrease the albedo a bit. We need to put this up to 2 ATM. Okay, 3 ATM, because it always needs to be above 0 degrees to meet my like requirements. So 3 ATM. Okay, we'll go to 5 ATM now. So 5. Okay, still getting colder. That's really annoying actually. 10 ATM. Okay, still getting colder again. That's really annoying. At full 20. Still getting colder. Wow, this does not want to pay. 40 ATM. Okay, that's just having a laugh now. Are you kidding me? Let's put it back to the close point, then it should heat up, right? Go on, there we go, now it's warming up. So let's completely get rid of the albedo. Okay, let's put it up to, I don't know, 100. 100 ATM. Let's increase the atmosphere mass. There we go, that should work. I have no idea how the colonizing works. See, this positive infinity, it always messes it up how it works. It's really annoying, because it doesn't usually do that. So let's put it up to, let's see if it increases from 50 degrees. So 50 like that. Okay, it does decrease from 50. Yeah, see, when this positive infinity garbage comes up, it just messes up all of these scales and they never work properly. It's really, really annoying. They've never removed it. I don't even know what it means. Yeah, can anyone tell me what this means? Scale height. What? I don't actually know what this is. Yeah, please someone assist me with that, because I've asked it before, but no one has said anything about it before. So I'm assuming no one knows, because it's a mystery what this means, but Yeah, please someone help if you know how, because that'd be good. Right, so next up, Sedna and Planet Night. Oh, they're going to be a problem. Because look at their orbits. Like, that is going to be a real pain to deal with. Because, let me guess, positive infinity as soon as I input a number here, yeah? Oh, no, we don't have it yet. But Sedna, the problem with Sedna is, even at its closest point to the sun here, it's usually in darkness. So, yeah, this is the closest point. It's getting a bit of light because it's obviously a red giant sun, so it's brighter than normal. But let's go to its furthest point. Yeah, see, look, in the furthest point, it does not receive pretty much any light at all. So that's going to be an issue. Okay, so let's go with 1080M to start off with. Oh, yes, we don't have that positive infinity thing. Alright, that's good. Okay, so let's put it down because we want this guy to heat up but not too hot. So I'll add some water to it and it's doing the usual garbage. Let's put it up to 2500 like that. Yeah, get rid of all that stupid smoke or whatever you want to call it. So, or steam. I'm assuming it's steam because it is water on it after all. So let's go. Okay, it's too hot now. So increase the albedo slightly. Oh, no. It's already there actually. Perfect. We'll leave Sedna with a red surface. I think the red looks really cool actually. So, okay, let's go. Just reset to 40 degrees. Okay, increase the albedo slightly. But the problem is, now we go to the far away part from into the dark area, and now it's going to get cold. So Sedna is probably not possible to actually colonize properly just because of the extreme distance it has. See, now it will go into the cold area, and now it's going to stay like in cold for years until it gets to the close part of the sun again. So we're going to go ahead and speed this up so it gets closer again. So we'll keep an eye on its temperature to see when it warms up. So it's still getting cold here, but then if we put it at its closer point, it warms up. But then if it goes into the winter again, it gets cold. So these are really hard to actually colonize properly. Like, the only way to officially probably colonize is to have a moon orbiting it, giving it tidal forces to continually give it heat. But still, even when it gets close to the sun, the atmosphere, the greenhouse effect could still make it hotter than it should be, which is still pretty bad. So yeah, from what I know or from what I see here, I don't think Sedna will ever be colonised unless we be able to move its orbit, because the way this orbit is, it's just so weird that solely colonising this would never work, right? Like, who agrees with me with that? Like, surely. Right, let's make it so it can try and have really weird weather. So we want it to go to 100 degrees, but we don't want the water to evaporate. So let's see how hot that goes. So we'll have a very hot summer and then a hot winter, or cold winter, I should say. Okay, so let's increase the surface a bit. We want it to go just before the evaporation point, so about 99 almost, like that. Okay, we're at 100 degrees, so that's pretty much evaporation point for water, but we're just surviving. So now we want to go to the far away part from the sun and see how it performs out there. So let's put it all the way. Where is it? Where's the far away point? Okay, so yeah, the far away point, we want to put it all the way about here. So how does it perform all the way out here? So it is cooling down, but does it stay above 0 degrees? That is the question. So let's put it to 10. Okay, so it's still cooling down. I think it will go below 0, but this is the best I can do. Okay, so it is cooling down, but how cold will it go? That's the thing here. Okay, so please don't get colder than minus 100. Okay, yeah, the weather on this object is very weird. So the winter. Damn, it's going to be chilly here if you live here. So if we were ever to live here, I think we have to come in the summer and then go away in the winter, because in the winter it'll be very, very dark, even with a red giant sun, because look how far away the sun is. The sun is just the size of any other star, even though it's a red giant pretty much. It's just the size of any other star. That is how far away Sedna is, and at the distance it is right now, it is 533 astronomical units away. So yeah, this thing is very, very far away from the sun. So it gets like about minus 164, okay. So now let's move it back into the sun again. So let's put it a little closer, and now will it warm up? Okay, so let's put it to 0 degrees. Okay, so it still gets cold, but it won't get as cold. Okay, so let's put it a little closer into the sunlight area. So we're going to put it really, really close, because the summer on this object is a lot shorter than the winter is, just because of how its orbit is. So increase the infrared emission. See, that's what we want actually. Albedo on 0. Okay, still cold. So whereabouts are we in the solar system? Okay, so we're still... Okay, see, look, we're here and it's still cold. Like, it has to be literally right near the sun at its closest point for it to work. So yeah, right here should warm up now, I want to say. Okay, so 0 degrees, and that still gets cold. It goes into sort of Mars sort of temperatures here, and its orbits continue changing as well, which makes it even worse. So yeah, this is the closest point to the sun, and this is the part where it warms up to 100 degrees, as we can see here. So it's actually, we don't want it at 100, we want it to stay below 100, because we don't want the water evaporating. That stupid trail there again, that's annoying. Yeah, but there we go, there's Sedna done. Yeah, that's finished now, because we've done all the Sedna. So it's 97 here, and then when in the winter, it goes to a very, very chilly minus 150 or whatever it was. Yeah, 150, minus 157, wasn't it? I think that's what it was. Let's change that slightly, just to move it a bit. Yeah, the weather on this would be very weird. So we'll do it at Planet 9 as well. Actually, should we do it at the moon of Planet 9? Yes, let's add a moon to Planet 9. So it probably should have a moon. Like, you'd think it would. Maybe it is a gas giant. Maybe it must have picked up some sort of debris over its lifespan. So we'll put a moon we'll put it quite close to Planet 9 actually, because we do want some tidal heating going on here. So okay, let's decrease it so it doesn't get too close to be torn apart, but it's still close enough to get. Oh, that's too close actually. We want some tidal forces on here to heat it up. Okay, orbits. Okay, that should be fine. I want to say a little bigger, like that, so it's not too big. All right, like that maybe that could work. So Yumpati, I think that's how you say. So we'll add some atmosphere to you, my friend. So let's go with 2 Earth atmospheres. Increase infrared, decrease the albedo, put it to 0 degrees. Okay, it's still cooling down. And the problem with this is if we can't really speed this object up and see how it performs at the outer skirts of the solar system, because yeah, Planet 9 would leave it behind if we move Planet 9. So yeah, that's kind of annoying, but we'll try our best here. So 5 ATM. I don't know, 10 ATM. How's this thing not working? 10. Why, it's still getting colder. Seriously? How far away are we here? So okay, there's Planet 9's orbit. Okay, okay, the Planet 9 orbit's really weird right now. So, yeah, that's not too good. Okay, 20 ATM. Okay, 40 maybe? The atmosphere pressure on this is crazy. Okay, 0 degrees, let's put it there. Still getting cold. Wow, okay, 100. Okay, now it warms up, that's what we want. Okay, so let's do that, just to lower it. So the Planet 9 tidal heating isn't doing anything, even though I put it very close to Planet 9 here, so maybe that debunks the theory that we could colonize Sedna with another object, because Planet 9 is quite large. You'd think it would have some sort of gravity effect on here, warming it up, but it doesn't seem like it is. So if anyone has any idea how to colonize Sedna properly when it goes around all of the orbit, because it needs to be above 0 degrees for the whole orbit, and it needs to be below 100 degrees for the whole orbit, but look at the shape of its orbit. That's going to be very hard to pull off. And I thought I'd go with like a nice jungly sort of look here. So yeah, there we go. Looking good. So now it's getting very warm. So we'll leave it like that. Yeah, that's colonized. Pretend Planet 9's orbit doesn't change. So yeah, there we are. Actually, let's zoom, pull it out here actually, and we'll reset Planet 9's orbit just to make it easier to do. So is it going to go around the sun, or is this going to not behave either? Seriously? Behave, come on. Okay, is that what we want, Planet 9? Okay, its orbit's still very weird. Dang it, that's really annoying. Okay, yeah, we'll leave like that go guys, because it will give us the same outcome as Sedna. It will get too cold at the far distance, because yeah, even the red giant sun isn't powerful enough to heat it up over there. So yeah, there we go. That is now the end of this series, guys, because I've done everything that all of the main objects here. So let's go and check on Iris quickly just to see how it's doing. So cause I did say I'll come back. So yeah, it's 15 degrees. So yeah, Iris is doing good. Maybe we'll get the same problem with Iris when it's at its furthest point as well, but not as bad as Sedna. So yeah, that is that. So yeah, we've got Pluto and Charon there. So we'll just line them all up. Have a look at what we've done across the whole series. So we've got our gas giants, Planet 9. We've got Yumpati, which is the moon of Planet 9. We've got Earth, which is being roasted. Venus, that's being roasted. We've got Pluto here. We've got Charon. Then we've got Mars, Orcus, Mercury, Europa, Sedna, Titania. We've got Iris here. Let's put it in radius just so we can see the proper sizes actually. So yes, we've got Earth, Venus, Pluto. So Pluto's quite large now. We've got Mars, Sedna, Orcus, that's all colonized, Iris, Titania. We've got Mercury, which is very hot. Triton is at 26, so that's doing good as well. I don't know why the water looks frozen when it says at 26 degrees. That makes no sense. We've got Europa here looking good, Ganymede looking good, Titan looking too hot actually, so we may need to increase the albedo slightly, and the water seems to have disappeared for some reason, which is also very annoying, so we'll just add that back. And then we just got all these dwarf planets. Yeah, there we go. So hopefully you guys all enjoyed this video. Make sure you did leave a like, subscribe for more. Help us on the way to 1,000 subscribers, because that will be awesome. Can't thank everyone enough. And there will be a 900 subscriber live stream coming out soon, probably midway through August. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And yeah, make sure you have a good day. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Pluto's moon, Sedna, Orcus and stuff like that. So yeah, here's Titania around Uranus, which is the largest moon. Looking very pretty there. And then we've had the last one we did in the previous episode was Triton around Neptune. So let's head back here like that, and there is the beautiful Triton. Look at that purple land there, looking pretty cool. A little too hot, so we may want to increase the albedo a bit just so it cools down, because that does look pretty hot. 70 degrees, no thank you. Right, anyway, so let's head out to Pluto now. So we're going to head here. So Pluto's at minus 40 degrees right now, so Pluto's doing pretty warm actually. It's not too cold here. It's hotter than Mars normally is. Anyway, so can we add the moons? Ah, dang it, we can't, because this is a custom simulation. But oh well. So what we are going to do is we'll just add it manually. So we'll add Charon in. We'll put it. Yeah, let's put it about there. It's not really. I don't really know the distance it is between Pluto. But the problem is, if we make Charon too big. Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video. Now I know it's been a while and yeah, I've taken a little took a little break, I guess you want to call it. I was basically busy, so anyways, got back to the game here, and there's no audio because I had it turned off from last time, but there's just a little update that came out on the August the 4th. So wait, is that today? No, that was 2 days ago. So yeah, August the 4th, there's some little updates. So I've already checked it. It's just pretty much bug fixes, nothing else included, no new textures or anything. So I guess I can check out this full list, but yeah, I don't think there's anything here. So anyways, we're going to go into this. We're going to go and quickly put the settings on as they should be. So there we go, the music should be on now. Is it here? Oh yeah, I hear it. Alright, perfect. So we also want to enable glows. There we are, now we fixed it all. So yeah, welcome back to another video. It's been quite a while, and also guys, we did it. We hit 900 subscribers, and right now we're already at 909. So that means we are 91 subscribers away from the big 1,000. So let's see if we can, let's set a subscriber goal. Let's see if we can try and get 1,000 subs before September. So that gives us about, it's the 6th today. Yes, we've got about 25-ish days, something like that. So yeah, let's see if we can try and get 1,000. That's going to be pretty cool. So anyways, we're going to do, what am I saying? Yeah, so today we're doing part 3 of a series I did before I went to Florida, so I didn't have any, or I couldn't finish it in time. So this simulation right here, so it's the red giant, back to the red giant simulation. So we're just going to leave it like that. And a lot of people were complaining about the sun wasn't big enough, so let's go and fix it. Actually no, I want to leave it like that, because if I make it bigger it will ruin everything. But yeah, this red giant sun should be about the size of Venus's orbit, not a little smaller than Mercury's. Yeah, so pardon my fails there. Anyways, so yeah, remember this? We've got the colonized Ganymede, and now it's a new updates. We've got these cool looking black clouds on these objects. It looks so awesome like that. We've also got Europa over here, looking very pretty. That's a water world. All going good. Now if we head out to Saturn over here, let's go here. So there's good old Saturn. Then we've got our beautiful Titan here. Quite hot here, but if we just remove the atmosphere, damn, that thing's a beauty. Just look at that. It looks so awesome. So let me just quickly check up the page here. So I'm just on the Universe Sandbox update page, and there's nothing I can find about it. Yeah, they're just July and June updates. I haven't even added the August update to the list of updates here. So yeah, we'll close that for now. So yeah, pretty good stuff. But anyways, yeah, today we're gonna actually not be doing any of the planet stuff. We're going to be colonizing the dwarf planets, so like Pluto. It could get bigger than Pluto, then Pluto will have to orbit Charon here. So this could be an issue, but yeah, we'll try it anyways. We'll turn that off. Now we want to give this bad boy an atmosphere. So let's just go with 1,000 kilograms, because that's the size of what Mercury's atmosphere is. So we're probably going to, let's hit play now. So let's decrease the albedo a bit. increase the infrared efficiency, and now reset the temperature to 0. Now hit play, and the temperature is warming up, so that's what we want. And it's like some dogs barking outside, so dang it. Alright, anyways, yeah, so that temperature's now heating up. So if we try and add water to it, it's not even smoking or losing material. Okay, that's perfect then. It looks like we're so far away from the sun here. Oh, dang it, I spoke too soon. No! Why does it have to do that? It's so annoying. Alright, anyway, so yeah, we're gonna have to make it slightly larger. Just put it to 1,000 kilometers in size. Yeah, so poor Pluto. It's gonna get too big, I think, compared to Pluto. So is it still smoking?